and I gave you some questions. This one, na? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कितना हुआ आप लोग से? कुछ हुआ नहीं हुआ? अच्छा, हिश्मा, did you do any?
Yes, sir, I did, except the
अच्छा,
last one.
except the last one. अच्छा, you uploaded it? हाँ?
No, sir, I didn't.
अच्छा, what about Samaira? Did you upload the answers?
Yes, I uploaded.
You uploaded it, okay. So let me see if that is present in my assignment thing. Samaira, na? And what about Aisha? Aisha, आपने नहीं किया?
Sir, actually, I informed Nishkar that there is a problem for me
Achha.
with the app. App is the main problem.
Okay, fine. So, but you received the questions from me also, na?
No, sir, actually, I didn't got the question.
You did not get the question. You did not write the question.
About the questions which you are asking, which you gave in the class, I did that. But that which are being uploaded, I'm talking about that.
No, the same things are uploaded. I don't know whether I gave you time or not to write it. I don't remember that. Did I give you guys time, Samaira, to write the
Sir,
questions?
actually, yesterday's class I didn't attend.
Yes.
अरे कल का नहीं है ये. Actually Aisha, actually this is our Tuesday class.
Oh, wait, sir, let me check my book. I really forgot about that. I'm sorry.
Okay. So Samaira's answers are here. Heshma, you also check your answers, okay? Okay, Heshma, tell me now. Heshma, can you please turn the mic on? Yes, Heshma. Off हो गया आपका mic.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, tell me. Is this right? Functional group is right?
Yeah, the functional group is right.
Okay. है ना? What about unsaturation? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about parent?
Yes.
Yes. Count. अच्छा, you are checking from your copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. What about substituent? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So she has written it rightly. 4-ethyl, non, ane, 3-ol. Is
Yes,
Heshma? Okay, fine. So it is correct. Okay. Samaira. What about here? Next question. Functional group?
correct.
Correct. Unsaturation?
Correct.
Correct. Parent?
Correct, sir.
Correct. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What about substituent?
Correct, sir.
Okay. What about the name? Samaira? What about the name? Is the name correct, Samaira? Samaira, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is the name correct? Tell me. Something is missing, na?
Oh, yes.
Hello? है ना? See, these things are right. So this was missing. See, my idea is that once you write the name, you should understand this, okay? That what is happening here. It's not like I hope in school or somewhere else where you have learned IUPAC normal feature, there people would be writing the names, but आपको doubt होता होगा ये कहाँ से आया? Why is that not? So I hope that after this, now you will be able to know why is dimethyl is there, why is hex is there, okay? These parts. Why is hex there? Okay, one more thing. Is the name right? No, numbering नहीं किया आपने. It will be 4, 4, na? Samaira?
Yes, sir.
है ना? 4, 4. So you write the numbers in the brackets here, okay? 4. For hex, it will be 2. है ना? You write the numbers here. Here also you have not done the numbering. So on is right. Is this cyclo? Okay. N is correct. Hex is correct. Okay, no. Parent is cyclohex. है ना?
Yes.
Samaira? Heshma, cyclohex you have written? Heshma?
No, sir, I also wrote hex.
Y hex, cyclohex, okay. Substituent is dimethyl. Dimethyl kahan pe? Again 4, 4. So the name will be 4, 4. Now see, don't write uppercase, okay? These are not proper nouns. These are common names, na? Oh, we don't have only one structure. I mean, we don't have only one molecule of dimethyl cyclohexanone. Na? We have plenty of molecules like that. So this is not a proper noun. So no, will not start with a capital letter here. 4,4 dimethyl cyclohexane one. Cyclohexanone. Again here, okay, E is correct, AN is correct, X is correct. Dimethyl 2-chloro 4-fluoro, 2-chloro 4-fluoro. So again 2 comma, okay, here it will be 3,3 dimethyl. Okay.
Yes.
Now look at this structure. Okay, you have not written for this structure. Let me read this. So 1, 2, 3, and one more. Here you have fluorine, Me. Here you have chlorine and Me. Functional group is E. Unsaturation is, so you have a double bond here. En, parent. Start from here. You will keep going there. Parent is, okay, 1, 2, okay, no. Start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oct. So substituent you have a methyl group here and a methyl group here. So dimethyl. So methyl is in the 5th position. So 5 comma. The other methyl is in the 6th position. So 6. After that you have fluoro. Then you have chloro. So fluoro is in the 6th position. Chloro is in the 5th position. Okay. Now let us look at the names here. Okay. Please look at the names. You start with C, and after that you have F, and then you will write the M. Okay. So this die is not representing the name of the functional group. It is representing the number of functional group present. So please remember that die will not be there if you are comparing the alphabetical order. So the name will be 5-chloro, 6-fluoro, 6-fluoro. Then you will have 5,6 dimethyl oct. Then here you will have 2, and here you will have E. All of you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write this down. Hishma, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Just see. This is very big name, na? Yes or no, Samaira, Hishma?
Yes, sir.
But it is not that tough. है ना? We are
Yeah.
doing the same thing. Huh? It is not very tough. Okay. So please practice, and practice will make you better here. Okay. So done, guys. I want to show you guys one thing here actually. That is why I'm waiting for you guys. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see this screen? Yes or no? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, actually what you are seeing here, na, it is this is a software ChemDraw, which is used for drawing the chemical structures. And see, if I select the structure, I've selected this, okay. Then I go to structure, then I write convert structure to name. Can you see that? Convert structure to name.
Yes, sir.
I will get the IUPAC name, okay. I will get the IUPAC name, okay. Fine. Now I want to show you one thing which is very different. Can you see that they have written penta here? We don't write penta, na, we write pent, correct?
Yes, sir.
But they have written penta here, okay? They have written penta here. But see, if I will change, you will be saying this, that aapne galat padha diya kya? No. I should not teach you wrong. What you can say, na? Let's see if you have this bond here, okay? What I can do is, this is a single bond. I have to make it a single bond. See, now the penta is gone. It is pent now, है ना?
Yes.
Now, again, I will see there are two changes happening. If your A is added here and then di is added here. Correct? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So see, and one more thing. See, this is En, correct? If I add one more OH, if I add one more OH here, can you see that? You have E and E now. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So there are some changes happening. It is happening because if you write it like this, if you have 2 chloro, pent 2 comma 2, let us say 2 diene, है ना? 2 diene. No. If there is 2 di, then there will be no. If there is 2 ene. So here after the T, you have a what? After the consonant, you have a vowel. Correct? Yes or no? This is a consonant, na? You know consonant? Yes or no? Consonants ही बोलते हैं ना? I'm not an English teacher. Consonants, right? Vowels. हाँ, Samaira, Hishma.
Yes. Sir.
Consonants and vowels. So after a consonant, we should always have a vowel. Okay, we should always have a vowel. Now this is not true if I write it like this. If you have 2 chloro pent 2,4 diene. Okay, now you can see that this is a consonant. This is also a consonant. So this is not right. While you are ending something, then you should have a vowel here, and then you can start. So I mean, it is proper while you are saying it. For example, 2 chloro pent 2 ene. It is not 2 diene. It is not right. 2 chloro penta 2 4 diene. Okay. I will make a note for this. Don't worry. I'll make a note for this. Okay. So now let me go to your class. Please write a note. Please write a note. In parent, right? Buta से start होगा. It will be buta, penta, hexa, and so on. If the unsaturation contains, if the unsaturation saturation has, if the unsaturation has di, wait a second, if the unsaturation has di tri tetra, if the unsaturation has di tri tetra, and so on. Okay, so for example, you have 4 here. So this will be named as, buta 1 2 3 4 1,3 diene. Okay, diene. So this is your parent. This is your unsaturation. This is your functional group. Okay, parent, unsat, functional group. This is right. But if you write but 1,3 diene, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Next, right? In unsaturation, right? ENE, sorry, let us start with ANE, ANE, ENE, and YNE. If the functional group contains di tri, tetra, and so on. Okay, di, tri, tetra, and so on. For example, OH, OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, this is what? But, ane, 1, 2, diol. है ना? This is correct. Here, this is your parent. This is your unsat. And this is your functional group. But if you write it like this, butane, 1, 2, diol, this is wrong. Okay. This is the wrong one. Got it? Yes, guys?
Yes.
है ना? So if I will combine these two examples, then you can write a question which has the carbon has double bonds. There are two OH also. Okay. So see, this is also why, because you, I mean, this is important to write the functional group unsaturation, then the parent. So functional group is diol, correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then the unsaturation?
EN.
Unsaturation? नहीं, यहाँ पे जैसे D दिख दिया, देख लिया ना आपने, डाई है, it will be di-ene, ene, है ना? Because there is two double bonds. So di and ene, why? Because you have a D here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have written the same point ना? You understand this or no? क्या हुआ? हिश्मा, समायरा, आयशा? समायरा नहीं आया क्या?
Got it, sir.
Got it ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what about parent? How many carbons? How many carbons? Samaira, how many carbons? If I'm not taking any names, anyone can answer. Okay. Ishma, Samaira, how many carbons in the parent? Array, what happened? Hishma, Samaira. How many carbons? Is my voice not clear? What is happening, guys? Why you don't answer? You just go silent sometimes.
4 carbon.
इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है हिश्मा? हिश्मा,
Yes, sir.
what happened? Why were you not answering me?
I was not sure.
So you say something, no, sir, I don't know. Then I will ask you, see the terminals. Then you get on the link. Whenever you don't know, please start with terminal. Did you think about the terminal, Hishma?
No, sir.
देखिए, I have taught you terminal ना, Hishma. So please use those things, okay? You will not get it as soon as you see the photo. You have to get the steps, है ना? So start with terminal always. You will get it. So 4 carbons. So what is the name for 4 carbons? What is the name for 4 carbons?
But.
But here you have a D. That is why buta. Aya, Samaira.
Yes, sir.
है ना? You see how this is working now. You know the functional group, then only you can write the unsaturation. If you know the unsaturation, then only you can write the parent, whether it will be but or buta. Then you have substituent. There is no substituent. Okay, so buta is there, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have diene in 1, 3, and diol in 2, 4. So we'll write it buta 1, 3, diene 2, 4, diol. Write this down. Let me know if you're done.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Write the name of the structure. Let me know if you're done, okay? Then we can check it. No need to send the answers, okay? But please have this in your notebook, okay? I am more interested in this part, functional group, unsaturation, parent, then we will have substituent.
Done, sir.
Then all of you,
Yes, sir.
what is a functional group?
E,
Unsaturation,
EM.
EM,
En, parent,
pen,
pent. How many substituents are there?
3,
Tell me, what is the first substituent? Tell me.
2 iodo.
Okay, 2 iodo. Acha, we should also wait a second. Let me. So we have got the parent. We have also numbering it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Correct?
yes,
2
sir.
iodo, then 3 fluoro, and then
4 bromo.
okay. Now we have to also number this unsaturation. You will number it as 2. Okay. Please remember that you number functional group. You number always functional group. So if it is present, it is not present here. So we are not numbering it. Unsaturation and the substituents. Okay. You don't number the parent chain. You don't give any number to parent chain because you are numbering the parent chain. Hai na? So you don't give any position to the parent chain. You give positions to unsaturation, functional group, and substituent. So now in this theme, what should I write first? Alphabetical order. Tell me. I, F, or B? Which
B.
will come first? B. So 4 bromo, 3 fluoro, E, F, G, H, I, na? Huh. 2 iodo, pent, 2, ene. Okay. Any problem? Any problem, guys?
No, sir.
Yes.
No. Okay, fine. Now, right. Acha, have you studied the aromatic nomenclature, benzene one? Have you ever studied in your school, or you have not studied ever?
So studied. Sir.
Studied naming of aromatic compounds. What about Samaira? आपने पढ़ा है?
Yes.
है ना? क्या लगता है आपको? Is it difficult than the open chain or is it easier? हाँ, Samaira? Benzene like. अरे कुछ तो बोलिए. Yes, Samaira, Hishma, what do you think? Is it easier than the open chain or is it difficult? पढ़ाई नहीं है यानी. हाँ, Samaira and Hishma, you have not studied in school. Yes, Samaira.
She taught, but I couldn't get what she taught.
You could not get what she taught. Okay. So please look at the timer. Okay. You don't have to even look at the board now. You just look at time. We will take less than 5 minutes to understand the aromatic one. Okay. Deal? Hishma, Samaira, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Deal? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. Now let us just revise. We all know that the IUPAC nomenclature, it has stereochemistry, it has substituent, whatever this stereochemistry is, don't worry about that, substituent. Then we have parent. Please continue with me na. After that, parent के बाद कोई help नहीं. हाँ, unsaturation. You guys don't help me even a bit. Unsaturation, and then we write the functional group. Substituent, parent, unsaturation, functional group. Now, in aromatic one, You have it very easy. You don't have to look at this. So this for parent, unsaturation and functional group, you will write only one word, which is benzene. Then you just have to identify the substituent because we are not looking at stereo as of now. So write 1 point, end the name with benzene. And other groups are treated as substituent. हो गया. Done. You are good to go for the questions. Okay. So less than 5 minutes, na? Less than 5 minutes or no, Samaira?
Yes.
It is only because we have learned substituent earlier. No, but still less than 5 minutes. Okay. So aromatic one is not tough. It is easy. Why it gets tough? We will address that also. It is not that people think it is tough without any reason. Yes, it is just that there are more new faces, there are more new names. Just faces and names, nothing else. Done, guys?
Done.
Okay. So we will directly start questions, okay? We get the concept, we write the question. You recognize benzene, na? नहीं तो फिर लफड़ा हो जाएगा. If you don't recognize the benzene, you recognize the benzene, right? Ishma, Samaira, you guys don't answer now, huh? So tell me, for the parent, unsaturation and functional group, what is the word?
Benzene.
Benzene. Okay, that means I have counted this part. है ना? Now whatever remains after the identification of parent, unsaturation and functional group is what? It is the substituent. So what is the substituent here? What is the name of this substituent? Yes, Hishma, Samaira. आंसर क्यों नहीं करते आप लोग? Samaira?
Hydroxy.
हाँ, अगर if you are looking at the notes, please tell me something. Hydroxy. हो गया? This is hydroxy benzene. Okay, this is hydroxy benzene. See how easy was this? Write this one. Let me know if you're done. Ishma, Samaira, and Aisha.
Done. Sir.
Done. What about Aisha? Done. Yes, Aisha. No. What about Samaira?
Done. Sir.
Ishma.
Yes, sir.
Done. Done, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, please don't write anything, okay? Please don't write anything. You will just answer. Keep the mics on. Keep the mic on. Hishma, Samaira, Aisha, all of you. What is the substituent? What is the substituent here? Hishma, Samaira, क्या हुआ? How many carbon? This is the substituent, na? I will stop teaching you guys if you don't answer me. Hishma, Samaira. Aisha is still not speaking in the chat. She's not answering me. Are? What is the substituent here? कोई फायदा ही नहीं आप लोगों को इतना बोल के. Yes, Samaira.
Yes. Sir.
What did I ask?
What is the substituent?
तो क्या हुआ? क्या दिक्कत हो गई बताइए? You don't know? You don't know. Say no.
No.
No, you don't know. Okay. You can identify the parent unsaturation and functional group as benzene.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What remains? Tell me. Tell me na. CH3. हाँ, CH3 remains.
Yes.
है ना? CH3 remains. Okay. Now you tell me, is this alkyl or is this non-alkyl? बताइए, Samaira. You don't know this? Yes, Samaira, you don't know alkyl, non-alkyl. It's fine, no problem. Even if I have taught it, I can teach it again. हम ही ने पढ़ाया ना, फिर से पढ़ा देंगे. क्या हो गया? बताइए. Samaira, you don't know alkyl and non-alkyl. Now you know these terms. Samaira,
No, sir.
alkyl, non-alkyl नहीं याद आपको? You have not heard this term before? Alkyl, non-alkyl, Samaira? No? Oh my God, what happened? Hishma, what about you?
I've heard sir.
So tell me, is this alkyl, non-alkyl?
Alkyl.
Okay, how many carbon?
1.
What is the name
Methyl.
for one carbon? Samaira,
Yes, sir.
are you fine?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Sure, you're fine?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So what happened? You now remember alkyl, non-alkyl? एक तो माइक बंद करने की इतनी तेजी रहती है आप लोगों को कि क्या बताएं हम. हाँ जी, बोलिए. You remember this word?
Yes, sir.
Alkyl, you remember it. Okay, now you can recognize. आप पढ़ नहीं रही क्या फिर Samaira? हाँ, you're not studying ना? What is happening? कुछ फंक्शन हो रहा है घर में?
No, sir.
तो शादी में गई हैं आप किसी के? हाँ, ये Samaira,
No, sir.
दावत मिल रहा है बहुत ज्यादा आपको? हाँ,
No, sir.
तो फिर पढ़ क्यों नहीं रही हैं? आप तो पढ़ नहीं, वो तो साफ दिख रहा है that you are not studying now, है ना? You did not study ना Samaira?
No, sir.
हाँ, बताइए क्यों? What happened? मन नहीं लग रहा पढ़ाई में? बहुत हो गया 11th क्लास. Ishma, what about you? You are studying ना? या आप भी नहीं?
Yes, sir, I am.
You are studying the notes and all? हाँ?
Sir, not chemistry. I was studying physics.
You are studying physics. अच्छा. Why भाई? क्यों? Chemistry क्या भाई? Okay. What? नहीं Samaira, you tell me what happened. You used to study. That is why I am asking. हाँ? Yes, Samaira.
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ?
Nothing,
You're
sir.
not. So why are you not studying these notes? Simple notes, हाँ? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है अब? Till Vesper theory it was fine. Till the atomic structure it was fine. Chemical bonding it was fine. Now what happened? You are studying states of matter or what?
No, sir.
Then thermodynamics. No, na. So please look where you are spending your time if you're not studying anything. Okay. Start studying. Okay, Samaira. I need answers from you also.
No.
Okay. अगर नहीं दिया ना आपने आंसर अगली क्लास में फिर बताएंगे आपको हम. Substituent is methyl. So I think I should not ask you ना. You don't know this answer. So should I ask you? Tell me, Samaira. अब बोल दीजिए आपसे फिर नहीं पूछेंगे इतना ज्यादा. Because if you have not studied, then you can't answer. ये बता पाइएगा आप Samaira? Tell me. What is the substituent here?
Chloro.
अरे वाह, very good. So this is chloro. This is what methyl benzene. This is chlorobenzene. ये बता पाइएगा आप Samaira? Can you say this one? No, I think. Ishma, what is the substituent here? Ishma को भी नहीं पता.
Amide.
Amino substituent, okay, not functional group. This is a substituent, na? That is a amino. Aminobenzene. Okay. So this can be here also, okay? If you have OCH3, let us say. Then you will start with benzene. जितना आता है कम से कम उतना आप लोग कीजिए. Okay, you start with benzene. In the end of the name, you will have benzene. Then you have this substituent here, OCH3. So for carbon, we have meth and oxygen, methoxy. Methoxy. Benzene. This makes sense, Hishma, Samaira? Methoxybenzene makes sense? Does it make sense or no? Hishma, it does not make
Yes,
sense?
sir.
It makes sense ना? It makes sense, okay, fine. ऐसा नहीं हो कि फिर आप कहीं और जाके बोलिए वो तो लर्नियो वे में सर ने पढ़ाया लेकिन कुछ समझ नहीं आया. This will be formyl benzene. This one is carboxybenzene. Done? Done till here? Tell me, till carboxybenzene, are you done?
No, sir. One.
Okay.
Done, sir.
All of you done? Yes, Samaira, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Now go back to the starting one, okay? See, this is hydroxybenzene, but this particular entity, this particular fragment of benzene and OH is so common that they have given it a common name. It is also known as phenol. Okay, it is also known as phenol, okay? So please write this, okay? Now this is important. This is more important than hydroxybenzene. You have to remember this also, phenol. If you have benzene and OH, then you will always have phenol, okay? If you have CH3, attached to benzene, it is known as methyl benzene. Okay, there is no space here, okay? I may have been writing spaces, but there is no space in the name. But this is also known as, please write, toluene. Okay, it is also known as toluene. There is no name for chlorobenzene, no other name for chlorobenzene. But for aminobenzene, it is also known as aniline. Now, whatever I'm writing in red, it is more important, okay? Now, methoxybenzene, we have what? Methoxybenzene, it is known as anisole. Okay, anisole. Formyl benzene, it is known as benzaldehyde. It is known as benzaldehyde. Okay. Carboxybenzene, it is known as benzoic acid. There is a space here, okay? There is a space here. So see, these are also correct, but these are more common. You will more see anisole, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, है ना? You will also see aniline rather than aminobenzene. Aminobenzene is also right, but you will more often see aniline and toluene and phenol. Okay. So you have to remember these parts also. Please write it. Please write it. Done, guys? Till
Yes, sir.
benzoic acid done? Okay. Now let me show you. If you have to write a name, for example, see, if you can see benzoic acid, then you will give priority to benzoic acid. After benzoic acid, you will give priority to benzaldehyde. Okay. After benzaldehyde, you will give priority to. After benzaldehyde, you will give priority to what? You will give priority to phenol. Okay. After phenol, you will give priority to aniline. And after that, you will give priority to anisole. Okay. Fine. You write this first. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and after that, you will give priority to toluene as also then toluene. Okay. That means whatever has more priority, now it will come at the end. So if you have OH and you have NH2, that means in puff, what you will write in puff, you will write phenol in puff. Okay. Why? Because phenol has more. Can you see that you have phenol also? See, this is the phenol part. Right? If I see it like this is phenol, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is phenol. Okay. But rather than seeing that, if I see it like this, let us say NH2, and then I see the benzene like this. Then I'm seeing what? Aniline, correct? Can you see aniline and phenol? Both are there. Ishma, Samaira.
Yes, sir.
But what will you give preference? You will write phenol. Now, if you have written phenol, that means this is a substituent now. Okay, this is a substituent. And what is the location? It is in the second position because this is in the first position. This is in the second position. What is the sub C? 2 amino. Okay, so this will be 2 amino phenol. Okay, any problem? Any problem, guys? Tell me what will be the puff here. Yes, guys, tell me what is the puff. How many can you see? Can you see phenol?
Yes, sir.
Acha, what else can you see? Can you see benzaldehyde also?
Yes, sir.
Hana? What about Samaira? Samaira, can you see phenol
Yes, sir.
and benzaldehyde?
Yes, sir.
Hana? So tell me what will be puff, benzaldehyde or phenol?
Benzaldehyde.
Very good. Now, if benzaldehyde is, it will be 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Wait a second. No. We will, if you have anything in substituent, you will follow the alphabetical order for numbering. So 1, then 2 bromo, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you have a equal probability, always favor the alphabetical one. I don't know this rules. Okay. You can see that I have not written the IUPAC rules as it is given in NCERT, because it is quite intuitive. Okay, whenever you have some, but this is equal, right? OH is also in the second position, BR is also in the second position. Now both are same. What should I follow? Alphabetical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So sub C, 2 bromo, and then you have 6 hydroxy. Okay, so you'll write 2 bromo, 6-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, got it, Samaira, Hishma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means in benzene, like, you have only 2 steps. You identify the puff and then you write the subc. You have only 2 steps, nothing else. Done?
Yes, sir.
Write a question. This is homework now, okay? Did you write this, Hishma, Samaira?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can I stop the screen sharing? Tell me. Okay, see, you have to give me the functional group. You have to give me the ansat. You have to give me the parent, okay? I need at least these 3 from you guys. I don't want the name. I need at least these 3 things, okay? Samaira, Hishma?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now you will see, we have never seen like this, na? Any structure like this.